Operating from the same factory in Porirua since 1896, Whittaker's has been voted New Zealand's most trusted brand for the past 14 years. Now, the family-owned business is setting the standard for ethical, sustainable chocolate making across the entire manufacturing process.
So for us at Whittaker's, we believe best is always better. It really reflects our vision of the world-loving, world-class chocolate from Porirua. So we strive to do the best that we can in everything we do, from sourcing the best machinery from Europe, from employing the best talent, from sourcing the best ingredients. But it goes beyond that. We really want to be doing everything that we do in a very sustainable way. We're calling that good, honest chocolate, and it's divided into 3 key pillars: people, planet and product. We've got a roadmap out for the next 2 years and key milestones that we want to meet.
Whittaker's journey into sustainability started in 2013 when they launched 2 hero lines, Creamy Milk and Dark Ghana, as Fairtrade certified products. Now, all of their products use 100% Rainforest Alliance certified cocoa beans, and their West African source beans are fully traceable.
We deal with 4 cooperatives within Ghana, and that consists of over 5,000 farms and 4,000 farmers. And we've achieved the traceability through geo-mapping those farms. The consumer can have full confidence that we understand our full supply chain, where the products come from, and gives real transparency to everybody that's buying our product.
As part of their long-standing relationship with farmers, Whittaker's is engaged in protecting the cocoa plants from extreme weather.
One of the main requests is around shade trees being put in place across those farms. It's something they can't afford for themselves, and it's something we're proud that we can go in and cover. So far, we've put in over 170,000 trees across 2,000 hectares.
Back home, Whittaker's recently took out the Green Gold Award for Sustainability in Wellington. Sam Ethorn works in the Continuous Improvement Team, which oversees sustainable options for the business and the environment.
At Whittaker's, we are up to, I think, 11 or 12 waste streams that we divert away from landfill. An example of that is our flow wrap, so our soft plastics that wrap the likes of our peanut slab bars. We work with Soft Plastics New Zealand for that to be collected and sent up to Future Post in the North Island to be made into fence posts and other garden materials. All of our cardboard waste on site gets collected by one of our waste service providers, and it can be recycled to be used back into cardboard. So our most recent result, we were sitting at 72% diverted away from landfill, which is great, and that's thanks to initiatives such as recycling of waste pellets. So these get chipped up and used as kind of garden mulch and compost.
In the factory, even smaller changes like electric forklifts and reusable hairnets are making a big difference to Whittaker's shrinking carbon footprint. And to combat a bigger challenge, food waste, they've partnered with EcoStock.
We provide a service across all of New Zealand to food manufacturers. So there's roughly about 300 sites across New Zealand where we recover food products. And essentially it's food to feed. Every food manufacturer has product, and their Whittaker's is roughly about 3 truck and trailers a year. But that's over the entire year. It's 3 truck and trailers is around about 78 tonne. It's a fair amount of product, but it also shows good product stewardship of what they're doing. We get the product from Whittaker's, the food waste, and because it's chocolate or nut, it's actually just cut through with our product. We call our major products like bread and that our porridge. So it is just blended through. It is a feed, has a spectrum of sugar qualities, protein, carbohydrates, and it's out to stock feed.
EcoStock also collects the packaging around the product, and this is an area where the team is really focusing on improvements.
We have a goal of reaching zero waste by 2035, and we're tracking really well against that. With packaging, I guess it is the consumer-facing aspect of our product that our chocolate lovers see and touch and experience. So the packaging has to serve a purpose of protecting the product for 12 months. But also, we don't want to have an adverse impact on the environment.
We've done over 140 different trials on sustainable packaging materials. When these materials are identified, they go through a series of criteria that they have to meet, and if they meet those, then we trial them on the line and put them into shelf life testing to see how well they can protect our product in the long term.
And the long term is where this sustainability journey lies for Whittaker's, anticipating challenges while sharing their progress with the chocolate-loving community.